Welcome to the Boulevarde Motor Inn in Wagga Wagga. It's located on the Sturt Highway. The hospital is just right there. Guess it's convenient if you gotta be visiting someone in the hospital, I guess, isn't it? There's a reception centre. Now, I had to park quite far from my accommodation for a reason, because the parking in front of my room is shit. You can't park there. So the key return's just right there. They have a children's swimming pool. Is it a swimming pool or children? Well, it is a swimming pool. There's also a hot tub. I don't think that's working at the moment. No, it is a swimming pool. It's quite deep. In a hot tub. There's barbecue outside. Garden hose. Now, the reason why I park so far is because my allocated room if I park there, no one can get through. Yeah. If I park here, there's just no room for people to get through. And there's more room for people to park down there. 18, 19, 20. Yeah. So I assume 23 parks there, 24 parks here, and 25 parks here. It just doesn't make sense. Okay, so I can smell sprays. Okay, so I think this is just the cheapest room I've got. TV. Broadband. I don't have a network cable to use it. I'm an idiot. I should have bring one. More dinners. I think the lady did say it's Wi-Fi, so broadband is a very old term. Fridge, minibar. Now these cost money, so better not use any. Toilets, showers. Good for your suitcase. Yeah. How about this? Much bigger. Okay. Let's test out the internet at the Boulevarde Motel. Okay, I'm quite impressed so far. Let's see upload speed. May get 50. Yeah, it's crap. Anyway, download's good enough. much better than most motels I've been to so far.